discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, wow. At nighttime, that's going to look good. So, what's your name and what's in here, man?
Alan White, 315 US 18s, 4 8-inch wheels.
Okay.
4 bullet tweeters, 7 horns, 4 which are 1.5 inches, and 6 of them are 3-inch.
Wow. And you built this?
Yes.
This is very nice. Wow. And this will all go in?
Yes.
Okay.
The electronic drivers here, take this in, and the electronic drivers take that down, and then everything shuts up like
okay. Got it. I'm going to kind of look in here real quick, if that's okay. And this is like a blow-through 4th order outside?
Yes.
So this is a sealed section behind these 3 subs?
Yes, 7 foot sealed, 14 foot boarded.
So 2 to 1?
Yes, 2 to 1 and 2 to 32 hertz.
Okay. And what made you do the subs more outside? Is it because it's an outside show truck?
Outside show truck.
Okay. Very nice. And what are these subs and what are they rated at?
They're the EXL X15.
Okay.
They're dual 2 ohms, wired down to 1 ohm on each. And each one of the small amps are running 1 ohm free sub. Each one has
so these?
Yes. Each one's running 1
wow.
Free sub. And these are running on 2 ohms for the highs and mids.
Okay.
For 4 channels.
Wow. It's actually kind of clean for the amount of wiring you had to do. This is good.
I got 320 feet of wiring in the truck.
Wow.
Just a bed. Got it. Instead of bridging them at the speaker, I bridged them at the amp. So
okay.
I could take one off and
yeah.
plug it up.
And then your alternator battery power?
2 stock alternators. Literally stock, one's from 85 and one's from 87.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Wow. What year and vehicle is this?
1985 Chevy.
Wow. Oh, I like it. That's old school. Okay.
That's a 75 amp for 1 battery for the truck. Another 75 amp for the 3 batteries for the 2 stereos.
Okay, got it. Wow, it's like a... Okay. Nice.
It's running 2 separate electrical systems.
How many miles are on the truck?
Total miles on the truck are 44,000. With this motor are 4,000.
Wow, that's pretty low then.
520 horsepower battery charger.
Okay. Nice. Custom automotive. I'm gonna look at your social media. Nice.
Broken every single foot on the amp. Even with the rubber mounts underneath,
they're breaking.
Yeah.
I see the amps bouncing a little bit. Oh wow.
I got them zip tied down now because all the feet broke off.
Man. Well, you're not gonna get away from the vibration.
What do you want? See if I can find out. I got back end. I got some trying to find something for bass with you.
You have any decaf or Gucci Mane or
Bounce Town. Actually, down gets real deep.
okay. Yeah.
It's still got a lot of vocals, but
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. This is pretty cool.
that one didn't go well.
It just paused.
Nope, it shut off.
Uh-oh. You ever had that before?
Yeah, minimal voltage. Voltage drop.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'll be back.
That was a voltage drop. Your vehicle's off. You need your vehicle on for that. Yeah.
you I was coming. Said I'd be here in 5. And even though I brought 2 glasses, you still can't believe your eyes. You don't believe it, but now walking just came to the side. Oh, wait a minute, I don't really wanna leave without a single solitary something before I bring it to him. Meet me at 7, catch my clip. Lead me to the door, check my list. Meet me at the floor, catch this fist. Or meet me at the store, catch this lick. Build this house, flip this brick. Real skateboarders, build this grip. Over to the alleyway and look at all the people tripping, cause I'm on a chopping night. To the DJ.
You got one more song you can play? Oh, this one's good.
If you carry out, you get a shot. There's so many bodies on the floor, so baby we should go and have some more. Are you down, diddy, down, diddy, down, diddy, down, down, down? Down, diddy, down, diddy, down, diddy, down.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.